The tools that make plumbing technicians faster are a power drain snake, a pipe inspection camera, press fitting tools, and a good set of pipe wrenches paired with a mini hydro jetter for stubborn clogs. A power drain snake is basically a motorized cable that spins and pushes through clogs way faster than doing it by hand. And most people do not realize that technicians use different cable thicknesses for different pipe sizes. So a thin cable for a small bathroom sink line and a thick one for a main sewer line. Pipe inspection cameras are small waterproof cameras on a flexible cord that let a plumber see inside the pipe on a screen instead of guessing what is wrong, which saves hours of digging or cutting into walls for nothing. One trick almost nobody outside the trade knows is that press fitting tools let plumbers join copper or steel pipes by simply squeezing a special fitting onto the pipe with a battery-powered tool. No torch, no flame, and no waiting for anything to cool down. This one tool alone can cut installation time nearly in half compared to old-fashioned soldering. A mini hydro jetter uses a thin hose that shoots out high-pressure water to blast through grease and buildup, and it actually cleans the inside walls of the pipe instead of just poking a hole through the clog like a snake does. If you want your own plumber to work faster, ask if they use press fittings and a camera before they start, because that alone tells you they are using modern methods. One common mistake is assuming a bigger drain snake is always better, but using the wrong size cable on a small pipe can actually damage it, so the fix is always asking the technician to match the tool size to the pipe. Another misconception is thinking a pipe camera is just for emergencies, when really using one early can catch small cracks before they turn into a flooded floor, so it is smart to request a camera inspection even for routine checkups. A lot of homeowners also think soldering is still the fastest and safest way to join pipes, but press fitting tools are just as strong, much quicker, and remove the fire risk completely, so it is worth asking your plumber if they offer that option. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.